Hey guys, so I'm doing another video on the Legacy iOS Kit program because maybe some people were either confused or when they try to do something it'll brick their device, and I just want to make sure that I'm doing everything correctly. So in this video I'm going to be going through every 32-bit iOS device and seeing if it'll work. According to this comment right here, this person tried to downgrade a 3GS to both iOS 3.1.3 and iOS 4.1, and both times the device was bricked. They then wanted me to do a mini-series about downgrading every 32-bit iOS device, but I thought of putting it into one video so that'd be easier, and I thought of putting little markers in the video just so you could make sure that you're getting to your specific iOS device. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first off, we're starting with the iPhone 3G. Now, I don't have an iPhone 2G, but the 3G is basically the same exact thing as the 2G. It has the same internals, so we're gonna start with the iPhone 3G. So, here we have iPhone 3G, iPhone 1.2 in recovery mode, restore, downgrade, other utilities, exit. Now, it's supposed to have other options, but because it's in recovery mode, we can't do that. So we're gonna do restore/downgrade, and it's actually giving us a few options: 4.1, 3.1.3, and the latest, which is 4.2.1. Now, I would do other custom IPSW, but that completely bricks the entire phone, so we're not gonna do that. Instead, we're gonna do one of the options that they give us, which is we're gonna do 3.1.3. Let's do that, and we're gonna download the target IPSW because it gives us the option to. So we're just gonna do that. Alright, now that we have it downloaded, I'm pretty sure we can just start it. Jailbroken on restore, you know what, sure, why not? Activated on restore, heck yeah. Custom IPSW, yes. Get ready to enter DFU mode, alright, let's do it. That failed. Nope. We're gonna have to do this again. Don't time out, please. Please don't time out. Am I gonna get it in the nick of time? Yes! Yes! I got it in the nick of time. Let's go. Alright, so it seems like the restoring process has finished. I think it's just finishing up. There we go. As you can see, we are here. There we go, 3.1.3. So we have successfully downgraded this iPhone 3G to iOS 3.1.3. Alright guys, it's now time for the iPhone 3GS. This is running iOS 6.1.6, and we're going to be downgrading it. As you can see, this 3GS is a new boot model manufactured week 19, 2011. iOS version 6.1.6. That probably means we're not going to be able to downgrade it to iOS 3 or maybe even iOS 4. We're just going to do restore, downgrade either way. Here we have a few options: iOS 5.1, 4.3.3, 4.1, and 3.1.3. Those are our options right now. I want to say because this was manufactured sometime in 2011, it's probably gonna be late iOS 4. Okay, so the comment said they tried both 3.1.3 and 4.1. So we're gonna try both 3.1.3 and 4.1. If 3.1.3 works, then we'll just stick with that. If it doesn't, then we're gonna do 4.1. So let's do 3.1.3. We are going to download the target IPSW. Now I think we can just start. So we're gonna press 3. Sure, we'll do that. Verbose boot, nah, I don't wanna do that. Okay, now it says it needs the device to be in recovery mode. Yes, put it in recovery mode. Okay. Yes, I know how to do that. Now we're gonna go. I hope it doesn't do the same thing the 3G did. Okay, we actually have an option. Let's do the first one. Oh shit. I forgot to read something. We're doing this. Enter. We're gonna restore downgrade again. And now we're gonna try 4.1 because that might actually work for us. Maybe. Let's just start the restore. Jailbroken, sure. Activated, sure. Custom IPSW, sure. Let's do the first one. Let's go. Would you look at that? iOS 4.1 actually worked. This took way too long. Oh my gosh, I gotta let some things charge, specifically this camera. Alright guys, now it is time for the iPhone 4. We drag the file, press enter. There it is. Alright. Now, with Restore Downgrade, for the iPhone 4, we can go to literally any iOS version we want, as long as it's iOS 5.0 and over, specifically for the CDMA version. The GSM version I don't have, that's like fully working. The one that I do have is iCloud logged, which is stupid, but it sucks, but whatever. The CDMA models can only go down to iOS 5.0, and that's it. We are going to go to iOS 5, so let's go to Powder Snow any iOS, and we have to select a base IPSW. We do have a base IPSW downloaded, so we are going to go ahead and select that. Base IPSW iOS 7.1.2. Now we're going to go to Firefox, and we're going to choose an iOS 5 version. Let's do 5.0.1. That'll be a good version. Alright, now that we have iOS 5.0.1 downloaded, we're gonna select our target IPSW. Alright, now we're gonna start the restore. Jailbroken, sure. Custom oh sh. I put you. That's gonna suck. Okay, whatever. Alright, now it's asking us if our buttons work properly. We're gonna put Y for yes. Yes, our buttons do work. And yes, we shall put the device in recovery mode. Alright, there we go. Now we're gonna press Y to go into DFU mode. Repeat the steps we've been doing for like the whole time. Alright, now we're gonna do the first option again. Boop. And there it is. The easiest downgrade, or one of the easiest downgrades you can do with this program. The iPhone 4 is such a gem for this program. Can't activate it? No problem. Just connect it to iTunes. There we go. Agree to the terms and conditions. Agree. Don't send. And now we are done. Honestly, the easiest downgrade you can do is with the iPhone 4. And now, we're on to the iPhone 4S. Alright, for the iPhone 4S, it's gonna be kind of different, because in order to downgrade this, we're gonna have to jailbreak it. So we're gonna have to go to 2 to jailbreak the device. Okay, never mind. So for the 4S, we're gonna have to actually plug it into my main computer and jailbreak it from there. Yeah, so for the iPhone 4S, you're gonna have to jailbreak it. As well as literally any other device on iOS 9, you're gonna have to jailbreak it. Now the jailbreak program will ask you for an Apple ID. Just enter your Apple ID and the password, and then just click OK. And once the jailbreak has continued, it will install the Phoenix app on your home screen, as well as the profile that it belongs to. There it is. Oh, that's my email. Go ahead and trust the app. Go ahead and click on it. Prepare for jailbreak. Accept. No one wants the mixtape. Begin installation. Use provided. It may crash sometimes, but that's okay. Alright, now that the phone is restarted, we're gonna go ahead and just try again. Prepare for jailbreak, accept. No one wants the mixtape, just proceed. Begin installation. Just provided. There we go. Alright, now that it's installed, we have our jailbreak. We're gonna go ahead and go on Cydia. Let's run the script one more time on the MacBook. Boop. Alright, restore downgrade. Boop. Alright, 6.1.3. Boop. Alright, let's download the target IPSW. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna press 3 for start restore. Huh. Jailbroken or restore? Sure, why not? Custom IPSW? Sure, why not? Okay, it says now, follow the instructions. Install OpenSSH and core utilities in Cydia or Zebra. So we're gonna go to Cydia. We're gonna install OpenSSH. Install. Confirm. Alright, now we need to download core utilities. Return to Cydia. Alright, now that we have OpenSSH and core utilities, I think it's called, installed, now we're gonna press enter. Alright, enter the password of your device, which is usually just Alpine. Okay. Alright, there we go. Boop, boop. There we go. And there we go. The 4S is finally done. Okay, this took way too long. Way too long. But we're finally here at the setup screen. Disable location services, yeah, that's fine, whatever. Set up his new iPhone, skip Apple ID, don't send, and now here we go. That took way too damn long. But we finally got an iOS 6 on the iPhone 4S. And now we are on to the iPhone 5. Last but not least, the last 32-bit iPhone. Let's plug in the very safe lightning cable into the MacBook. Alright, let's drag the restore.sh thing there. Okay, now let's do restore downgrade 8.4.1. Yes. Let's download the target IPSW. Now let's do start restore. Jailbroken or restore, yes. Custom IPSW, yes. There we go. Alright, now it's asking us if both my home and power buttons are working properly. Yes, they are. And yes, send the device to recovery mode. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. There we go. Huh, that's weird. Okay. Failed to enter PwnDFU mode. Well, why don't I just do it like this? I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know. Well, that's unfortunate. I don't know what else to do with this. I tried, but it didn't work. So, I can't use Legacy iOS Kit to downgrade it to iOS 8. Either way, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new. and I will see you guys in the next one.